Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss on this topic, ultimate support. This is the topic we're going to discuss today on ultimate support and resistant cost. So it's very, very important because as a forex trader, if you want to be consistent in bagging profits on daily basis, you need this uh, topic. Okay, you need this topic because it helps you to follow the trend. This is the topic you need to study very well. You need to study support and resistance levels. There are different types we're going to consider. We're going to consider the trending support levels and the resistance level. What do I mean by trending support levels? So trending support levels, these are support levels that follows the trend. Don't bother yourself because we're going to go to the chart. All right, we're going to go to the chart and see for yourself how it works. So these are support levels that they follows trend. So support levels can be broken and it forms and is turned into a resistance level, and the resistance level is broken and is turned into a support level. That is what I mean by trending support levels and resistance levels. So it's very, very important to understand this concept because around the world, the professionals, these are the levels they are looking at. Market always tends to um, behave in a specific ways around these levels. So you don't have to joke with it in your trading. All right, you don't have to joke with it in your trading. So first of all, support and resistance levels, there are different types, and I've told you we're going to consider these trending support levels and resistance levels. Now look at what I mean. For instance, the market is moving and it made higher high, higher low. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right, so now let's look at this level now. If you draw a straight line here, all right, and draw this line here, okay, we discover that this is a resistance line. All right, but here is a support line. Here is a support line. Here it is a resistance line. So do you see how here it is a support line. Here is a support line. So do you see how what I mean by trending support level and resistance levels? So this is what I mean by it, because this this level was once uh, this level was once a support level, but when it comes here, it turns to, this level was once a resistance level. Sorry, based on here, it is a resistance level. When market came here, it was a resistance level. Market bounced back, and this is a support level. It came up here, all right, and then came here, and this level that was once a support level here now is now acting as a resist. This level that was once a resistance level is now acting as a support level here. So that's what I mean by trending support and resistance level. When we go to the chart, you will get the concept better. All right, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, all right, because I will always be releasing quality information that will help you in your forex education. So be part of this community, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I release a good content like this, you will be notified. All right, so let's continue our analysis. So markets, the same market acted, the same market that was once a resistance line here, it also acted as a support here, and also act, and here now it turned back to a resistance line. It turned back to a resistance line and started coming down. So this is what I mean by trending support level. Now, the second type of support and resistance levels is the major. We talked about the major support levels, and the resistance levels. So what do I mean by major support levels and resistance levels? When you look at, let me draw the, let me draw the stuff again. Okay, so the market is moving like this. All right. So when you look at um, this level, when you look at this level now, look at this level. What do you discover? This is a major resistance level. Major resistance level. And when you look at this level, this is a major support level. Do you see that? This is a major support level because markets has tested it and bounced back, tested it and bounced back, and then again. So these are the major support levels, and these are the major resistance. Markets from here, markets here, it pulled back. All right, it came here again, pulled back, and came here again and pulled back. So what you discover is major support levels and major resistance levels are very strong. They are very, very strong. So at this point, let's move into the chart so that you'll understand more what I am talking about. Okay, let's move into the chart. So this is my chart, and let's move into a higher time frame. Let me show you an example of what I am talking about. So a good example here is this one. This is a major what? Support level. This is a major support level. This is a major what? Support level. So market came here and tested it again and again. So when you are trading this kind of stops, it will be difficult for you to be stopped out just like that, because I'm going to teach you how to trade it, how you can integrate it into your strategy. So when you look at here also, you see that there is a major support level here. All right, major support level here. So these are ways we can trade it. Let me also show you another example to confirm to you how strong this thing is. So this is my chart. All right, so look at this example here. See that this is a major what? Resistance level. This is a major resistance level. So market came here, bounced back, came here, bounced back, came here, and started moving down. So you see how is even this is the strategy that you can even use to capture a very big move in the market, a very big move in the market. All right, so it's very, very important if you integrate it. So there are two major steps to trade it. Two major steps to trade major. Let's look at steps. Sorry, that's what I want to say. Steps on how to trade these steps that we use to trade it. So the number one step is you are going to use what I call 4 hours candlestick or higher time frame. Use a higher time frame. 4 hours is okay. Daily time frame is okay. All right, daily time frame is okay, and also weekly time frame, even monthly time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger support level, major support levels, and then major resistance levels are, the higher the time frame. Take for instance, in this chart now, these 4 hours, you look at this. This is a very strong uh, support levels. This is a major support levels. So market is moving like this. Look at the way market is moving. You see that? So market will come and bounce on it. So this is a major support level. If you follow the trend like this, there is no way the market will stop you out. Do you understand? So I was still going to teach you the second this thing, second second step. Sorry, second step here. Second step here is candlestick confirmation. Using candlestick, all right, to confirm. Using candlestick to confirm. What do I mean? Now, we have different types of candlestick. We have reversal candlestick. I'm not going to be elaborate on that. All right, that is why I asked you to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be learning. Forex is about you growing in your knowledge and then integrating what you are learning into your strategy, daily practice, and you'll be growing. All right, so we have the shooting star. Don't mind my drawing. We have the shooting star. This is a candlestick. All right. Don't mind my drawing, please. Let me try again. So this is a candlestick. This is a shooting star. And we have the hanging man. The hanging man. So we have the engulfing pattern. So many of them. So, but there are, for instance, let me use a shooting star. Shooting star or rejection. Shooting star and hanging man are good example of a reversal candlestick. Sorry, don't mind the alarm. I'm using it to check market. All right, welcome back. So, shooting star and then hanging man. Hanging man is also a type of candlestick that signifies reversal. So the first step is use a 4 hours time frame or higher time frame to determine the direction, the trend of the market, the strength of the trend, the major resistance levels, and the major support levels. When you have determined that, you now use smaller time frames to find entry. All right, in combination of this reversal candlestick. Let me go to the chart and show you what I mean. For instance, this is a 4 hours time frame. This is a 4 hours time frame. And then I will show you what I mean. Now look at what I mean here. This is a major support line. This is a major support line. Now when market is moving like this is how to follow this trend. All right. Look at this hanging man. I don't know if you can see this hanging man. This is how to enter the market. This is railway track. This is what? Railway track. So this is an entry. This railway track now. Railway track is simply this red and green candle. This is a railway track. This is a railway track candlestick. So this railway track is signifying continuation to the direction of the trend, whether uptrend or downtrend. It's signifying continuation of a trend for this railway track. Then we also have this shooting star here that I talked about. This shooting star here. You see the shooting star. All right, shooting star. So this is a hanging man or a shooting star. When it happens on in a level, on a high, on a resistant line, it is called shooting star. But when it happens on a support line, like this area now, it is called hanging man. So uh, let me explain once again what I mean. So when you notice this railway track here, this is a railway track. All right, this red and green candle, that's a railway track, that's a continuation candle, is a signal that the market is still in uptrend. Look at the railway track here again. It's a signal that the market is still in uptrend. All right, so this is what will help you to enter the market. So these are two perfect entry for this big move. And you see that there was no even drawdown. There was no floating. The market was straight. It will hit your TP. So this hanging man here, in combination with the red candle, is also a signal to enter the market. So this is a good example to trade it. It's a very good example to trade it. Let me also show you another example so that you will get to understand it more perfectly. So you see that it works everywhere. Look at it here. Look at a railway track. Railway track. So it's not difficult to integrate into your trading. It's not difficult. In downtrend, look at it here. Railway track. It's here. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just define the trend of the market and then draw a trend line acting as a support or a resistant line. Do you understand? When you have done that, you wait for a candlestick. A candlestick is what you use to confirm and enter the market. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel, okay? So that I will be releasing quality content like this, quality informations like this, so that you will integrate it, all right, and practice it, and you see that it is really working. It is not a just another YouTube teaching that will not profit you. It's not just a YouTube teaching that will not profit you. Subscribe and follow me. Anything I teaches you, try to practice it, okay, and you see that it works perfectly well. All right, so look at another example here. The market, this is a serious resistant line. This is a serious resistant line. It's a trend, and it can even act as a channel. All right, so when you notice this railway track here, and this railway track is a high confirmation. This is a 4 hours, and after 4 hours, this railway track here is forming what we call a combination of shooting star and the railway track. So because this is how the candle formed. All right, this is how the candle formed. So you see that. So when this thing formed in a trend line, in a defined trend, you don't have to. This is a perfect trading. This is a perfect trading. All right, you enter the market and you come out with serious profit. So it's a good pattern of trading. Is a good strong strategy. Like this video, follow me on this channel, and you will benefit so much. So this is where we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.